Hello everyone. Welcome to Niti Manthan project Online Gambling. This particular session deals with definitions. This session has been researched and presented by Alolika Chakrabarti and Tanvi. Evolution of the definition. Gambling has been an activity prevalent in Indian subcontinent since time immemorial. In the Constitution of India, the Constituent Assembly had debated at length as to whether we should use the word gambling in our sacred document. Through the visionary of Babasaheb Ambedkar, entry 34, list 2 of our Constitution has this word. This was done in order to maintain the flexibility and autonomy to the states to decide upon the regulation of this social evil. Presently, an INR 250.3 billion of parallel economy is predicted to be formed in India through this gambling market by 2024. The least we can say as of now is that the laws pertaining this particular space are very archaic and sometimes not even available. Therefore, there is an urgent requirement to form a regulatory framework for the same. A peculiar feature of this generation is that we have built a technology which can help anyone to sit anywhere and do whatever he or she wants to do, be it legal or illegal. Welcome to the new world of gambling, the online gambling. Defining gambling and online gambling. According to the Oxford Dictionary, gambling is the activity of betting money. It is commonly understood to be staking of money at an occurrence or non-occurrence of an uncertain event. The usage of the term uncertain is to make us understand that this particular definition points out at gambling to be a game of chance. But on contrary, the Law Commission of India assumes that gambling is entirely based upon the probability theory. But this particular probability has to be done through careful prediction of the outcomes of a future event. The Gambling Act of 1867, which is a pre-independence legislation on the same, has considered gambling outside the ambit of house, walled enclosure, room or place to be illegal. But the present modern gambling is an online gambling, which enables anyone to do gambling sitting anywhere. Therefore, this legislation will fail at this particular new development. Sikkim and Nagaland legislations are two state legislations of India who have made laws on gambling. The Sikkim Online Gaming Regulation Act of 2008 and the Nagaland Prohibition of Gambling and Promotion and Regulation of Online Games of Skill Act and Rules 2016 are two state laws respectively. Position of the definition of online gambling according to Sikkim and Nagaland Act. The Sikkim Act provides for an inclusive definition. It provides for a combination of games of chance and games of skill that can be played from time to time by the state and its citizenry. It proposes a license system which throughout the state which enables a frame of computers to be installed at a central location through where the gamblers can play this game. On contrary, the Nagaland Act has given a pan-India license. Anybody sitting anywhere in any Indian state which allows for online gambling can have its citizens or its residents to play gambling through the Nagaland Act. Therefore, we can understand that this definition and the manner of regulation of online gambling differs from state to state. Understanding games of skill vis-a-vis games of chance. Through two major case laws, the Apex Court has clarified this position of games of skill versus games of chance. The first case is RMDC versus Union of India. In this particular case, the court has stated that the games of skills are included under the maxim of res intra commercium. That is, a commercial activity is protected under Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause G. This subclause allows for freedom of trade and commerce and thus allows for games of skills to be included as commercial games. Furthermore, in the next case of K.R. Lakshmanan versus State of Tamil Nadu and another, the court clarified that a game of skill does not mean that there is absence of chance. It merely means that the outcome has aggregated from the superior knowledge, experience, attention, training and adroitness of the player. Thus, a game of skill is a game through which a player, with the help of its skill, influences the outcome. Law Commission and game of skill versus chance. The Law Commission of India, through its recent report, has said that a game of skill shall include the preponderance of the skill required in the game. If any game requires a preponderance of a skill to be won, then that game shall not be considered to be gambling. However, there is still an ambiguity regarding what the phrase preponderance of skill means. Conclusion. Through the previous slides, we have understood that the position of online gaming and gambling in India is ambiguous, and there exists no reliable precedent to fall onto. But a recent Delhi District Court has given a strong judgment. It says, playing a game of skill for stakes in a virtual scenario renders the game illegal, as it amounts to gambling. However, the decision did not survive, due to the withdrawal of the civil revision application by the Gaussian networks. In the next session, we will study about history of online gambling in India. Thank you and have a nice day.